101 Surprise Toys!
Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and click the subscribe button right here and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Cool, look what we have here. It's Owlette from PJ Masks. We have here a red Owlette tin carrier. How cool is this? It has a little handle and it has a little clip to close it and open it. And we have a lot of cool surprises inside of Owlette, so we'll open him really soon. Awesome! We have this huge yellow surprise egg. We also have some surprises inside that we're going to be opening up really soon. So let's go ahead and start with Owlette from PJ Masks. If you guys like the PJ Masks crew, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment it down below. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and open up Owlette and see what we have inside. Cool, we have a yellow surprise egg. Let's give it a little shake. Let's crack it open. Awesome, we have SpongeBob. How cool does SpongeBob look? He looks really sleepy, and it looks like he has some pajamas on with his little slippers. How cute is that? Cool, we have Chase from Paw Patrol. He's a bubble bath squishy toy. Awesome, we have this Trolls blind bag. There is 12 collectibles. And this is how the front of the package looks. And we have the back. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, oh how cute. We have our little troll. We have a little flyer. Let's look at our little flyer first. How cute. These are some of the trolls you can collect. How cute are these? I don't know the name of this troll, but she is lime green and she has really pretty pink hair. How cute is she? Alright, let's see what else we have inside. Awesome, we have this Kinder Joy surprise egg. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, we have our candy over here. Comes with a little mini spoon. Okay, we have our little flyer. And these are all of the little figures you can collect. Looks like we have the Christmas Kinder Egg. How cute is he? Last, we have this awesome PJ Masks collectible figures. This is a series 6. Here's Gecko, Catboy, and Owlette. How cool. I wonder who we have inside. Blue capsule. We have our flyer. Okay, these are all of the figures we can collect. And we got Catboy. Awesome. How cool. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and open up this huge yellow surprise egg. We also have some cool surprises inside of it. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, we have a blue surprise egg. Go ahead and crack it. Hey, how cool. We have Leonardo the pig. Okay, let's see what else surprise we have inside. Okay, we have this cool blind bag. This is the NBA blind bag. We have 10 figures to collect, and this is the series 1, and these are all of the cool figures we can collect. How cool. Okay, this is our flyer. This is our figure. And it looks like we have a basketball that goes on his head. And the name of our figure is called Thunder. Awesome, we have another surprise egg. It's another blue surprise egg. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Awesome, we have a Masham. We have little Bo Peep from Toy Story 4. She's so squishy. She has a cute little pink bow. Right, it looks like we have one more surprise. Awesome, we have this Lock Stars. This is a series 2, and it comes with this really pretty lock, and it comes with 2 keys. It comes with also a mystery lock. How cool. It looks like a little mini lock. You can also put these cute Lock Stars on your book bag and also on your shoes. How cute are they? Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, we have a little flyer here. And this is showing us all of the cool Lock Stars that we can collect. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Look how adorable. Wow, there's a whole lot to collect. Let's go ahead and reveal our little mystery Lock Star. How cute is our Lock Star? How adorable. Let's see which one we got. Awesome, we have this one right here. This is 2/15/24. Okay, it also comes with 2 keys. This really cute pink key. And also has a orange key. And it comes with this little item right here. Alright, we have our little mini mystery Lock Star. Let's go ahead and reveal it. How adorable. And it opens up. How neat. Let's go ahead and try to open this lock. Oop, something just fell out of it. We have this little item right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. I believe this goes here so that way you can hang it on your book bag. We also have the other key, the orange key. Let's see what this does. Oh, it opens it too. How cute.